Welcome back to Your Tech Researcher. Today we'll be unboxing the Boya Ultra Compact 2.4 GHz dual channel wireless microphone system, model BY-XM6-S3. This is compatible with iOS devices. It operates on the 2.4 GHz wireless transmission signal up to 100 meters, has an OLED screen, has real-time monitoring, and the battery lasts up to 7 hours. Let's unbox it. All right, so in the packaging we have your receiver, got your lightning adapter here. Here's for some headphones, and you have your transmission signal, and then an LED indicator light. Then you have your mono and stereo switch here, and then your pairing button here. And here you have your transmitter. So you have a USB-C charging port right here, 3-pin connector, a nice clip here. You have a mute button, and then buttons here to set. Up top you have your mic, and then you have a mic and line in. All right, in the other package, looks like you get some stickers, some warranty information, get a little instruction manual here. It's actually a nice neoprene case here. Got a little pouch in the back. All right, so in the pouch, you get some little pockets here. You get a microphone to plug in here. All right, so you get a windscreen, just clips onto the transmitter like this. Just clips right in. That will help keep down the noise. Pretty nice. And you got a little foam mic cover for the mic out. So just like that. You got a USB-C to USB-A charging cable. You only need one because the transmitter is the only thing you're charging up. The receiver plugs directly into your iPhone or iPad, whatever uses the lightning cable. And then you get a clip right here to attach your microphone. So overall, pretty simple setup. So you get your case, your external mic, charging cable, get a clip, your transmitter and receiver. Now we're going to go ahead and test audio comparing to the iPhone 13 mini that I'm using right now, and then an audio clip for the Boya wireless microphone system. Here we go, we're going to power this on. So the mute button is also the power button. Just hold it down. There you go. Pretty nice LED screen. It's really clear. As you can see, it's picking up on the audio. Okay, we're testing out the audio on the iPhone 13 mini, and next we'll test the audio on the Boya wireless transmission system. This is an audio test using the Boya wireless microphone system in a mono mode, and next we'll try in stereo. Now this is an audio test also using the Boya wireless microphone system, but in stereo. Comparing the audio from the iPhone 13 mini to the Boya, I would choose the Boya simply because the audio sounds cleaner and more full, but I would leave the audio on mono over the stereo. As you could probably tell, in the mono, you're getting audio from both sides of your speakers, whereas the stereo is more directional and it was only coming from one side. So that's just my preference, but overall I think the audio quality is definitely better on the Boya than just using the iPhone 13 mini mic. Some additional features to talk about. So on the back side, the 3-pin connector, what you can do is buy a charging case accessory, and you can wirelessly charge this instead of having to use the USB plug. Also, if you long press the set button, it'll bring up a sub menu. So in the sub menu, you can change from input mic in using this mic here, long press, and then you can change to line in using the external mic. We're going to keep it on mic in though. All right, also you have your mic gain. You can mute enable, long press, or disable the mute option. Keep it enabled. You also have backlight on, and here you can set it to turn off after 60 seconds, 30 seconds, or 10 seconds. And what this does is helps preserve the battery life. We're going to keep ours on full time though. All right, and then also, is this connected? Yes or no? It is connected to the receiver. And then you can change the language. The only options you have are English and Chinese. Keep ours on English. All right, and then you can factory restore. And then here's the software version that it's currently on. All right, well that concludes our unboxing of the Boya Ultra Compact 2.4 gigahertz dual channel wireless microphone system.